Hello, and welcome to Holoweather, a holographic weather experience. To begin, gaze at the location on your wall or your floor, and tap to place your weather shelf.
So, the sounds in this example were actually brought to us by Sound Image, some sounds that I use. This is a project I've been working on for probably about 2 to 3 months, give or take. It's been a lot of fun working on this. So let me go ahead and place my shelf.
Perfect. Now tap on a weather orb to see the weather come to life before you. Tap again to turn it on.
And I'll show off kind of one example here. So go to some wind. I'm working on some distortion special effects. As the heat begins to rise. I can mix a little bit if I choose to. Hey Cortana, stop recording.